Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, so let's talk traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. So obviously everyone who follows me, you're trying to build an affiliate business, right? So everything that I do from the top down is trying to focus on how can I increase my traffic flow. If I can increase my traffic flow, I could build my email list bigger. If I could build my email list bigger, I can make more money. That's it. Okay. Basically, I want to explain why I'm doing this, and you're going to understand kind of my strategy and why I always kind of piggyback off a lot of these big promotions. Okay. So let me explain what I'm doing. Okay. Let's get into this. So if I go to YouTube and I'm going to type in a search term. Okay. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see what's trending. Okay. And I'm going to show you that I'm doing this in real time. Okay. So if I go to YouTube and type in something like, affiliate marketing with AI. Okay. I want you guys to see this. Okay. Can you guys see that? Do you guys see that curve right there? It's trending up. The reason why I do certain videos and certain types of content is because I can hop on the trend. Okay. So now that Alex Hormozi is coming up with a new event, I'm going to piggyback off that. Right. So if I go to $100 million leads, and I don't know if there's any search terms on this, but I know there's a big event. There's a ton of searches for this. Okay. Now let me do another one here. Okay. And this one's you're going to understand what my next step is. Okay. So if my competitors are watching, they're going to see why I'm doing this, but it's okay. You'll see here the term high ticket affiliate marketing. You see the term high ticket affiliate marketing, the trend is going up. The reason I'm able to generate so much traffic, and I'm going to show you proof of this, is because I'm piggyback off these trends. Now, I want to show you with this trend, high ticket affiliate marketing, what I'm doing. Okay. So I just released a video today, and I'll show you. What do you think it is? You can see it's my #1 video at the moment. Here we go. Let me show you the title here. Your first $1,000 with high ticket affiliate marketing, right? There's a reason why I did this, because I know the trend, guys. Okay. You can see this right here. This trend is going up. So I want you guys to understand that I'm using these trends to get a ton of traffic to me. Okay. And I'm going to go to my old videos. I'm going to kind of break these down. Okay. You'll notice here, remember I said AI or artificial intelligence, chat GPT, right? I'm using these trends because I know these trends are being searched. And same thing with TikTok, Instagram. These trends are being searched. So what we're doing is we're piggybacking off these trends. Okay. Look at that. This is the game changer right here. This is what changed my life, is understanding how to piggyback off these trends. This right here can change your life if you understand it. Okay. All right. Here's another one. This is something I just mentioned to my inner circle students. System.io. Why am I doing that? Well, it's a good software, right? But check out System.io. Look at that. 60,000 searches per month, and it's going up. This is what makes me so much money. It's not even like night and day. Now, I want to show you what I've been doing when I first started. Okay. So you can be a complete beginner and you can do this. And I'll show you, because I did this when I first started. Because I know what you're going to say. Okay. You're going to say, oh, well, Jonathan, you've been doing this. You have a big channel. Well, I did it 4 years ago, right? But I'll show you what I did. Traffic Secrets Bonus. This was a big book back when I first started. You can see that's a horrible thumbnail because I didn't know what I was doing, but I did it anyways. Okay. Check this out. I did the same thing. I knew that Traffic Secrets was a huge search term bump, and that's why I piggybacked off that. Okay. That's exactly what I did when I first started. Here's one more here. Okay. Ebook code bonus. Okay. This is another program 3 years ago. Awful thumbnail. I didn't know what I was doing, but you can see here, I'm piggyback off those keywords. Okay. Right. You can see my students are doing this. This is one of my top affiliates at the moment. Okay, this is John Wilson. He's using Freedom Accelerator, which is one of my programs, Freedom Accelerator, to do the same thing. You can see there's a bump in search. So what he's doing, he's creating bonuses. He's creating videos around the hype. Okay. Now, what am I doing now? I'm doing the same thing with Alex Hormozi's new launch. Okay. So you'll see here, what am I doing? If you're following somebody, don't really look at what they're saying. Look at what they're doing. So anyways, I'm going to go here. What am I doing here? Check this out. Boom. Alex Hormozi, $100 million leads. How did I become #2 affiliate for Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads, right? I'm piggyback offing that keyword, that hype. Okay. You can see what I'm doing here. Okay. And we can kind of take that further, right? So right here, I said, start affiliate marketing with AI. And then what did I say here? High ticket affiliate marketing. So let me show you what's my video coming out on Tuesday. My video coming out on Tuesday. And I haven't showed this to anybody, but I'm going to show you because you're on live. Check this out. This is what I told my team. My team just did this. You can see, I said, hey, I want to rank for high ticket affiliate marketing. It has 22,000 searches per month. And this is the video that comes out Tuesday. I said high ticket affiliate marketing with System.io. You see what I'm doing there? So what I'm doing here is now I know that high ticket affiliate marketing is a hot keyword right now. I'm going to create trainings around that to funnel people into my world, to eventually funnel people into my email list, right? That's why I've been able to build an email list of over 463,000 people. That's why I'm able to print money online, because I'm able to use trends to get people into my world, build that trust, give them good value, right? So the video I came out today, it's not a junk video. This is a 32-minute video. I go in depth. Go check out that video. This is a great video. I spent hours making this video. I'm funneling those people into my world. I'm building that value and that trust, and I just get them in my email list, and that's it. It's over from there. And I can promote offer after offer after offer, okay? All right, so let me show you what we're doing on TikTok to kind of do the same thing here, okay? So let me see if I can pull up TikTok. This is a brand new account. Like, we just started messing with this. I don't have many followers on it, as you can see. What we're gonna do here is we're trying to rank for a specific search term, okay? So we're trying to rank for legit ways to make money online. Okay. So this is a search term that we're going to try to rank for. Okay. So what we're going to do is we want to become the quote unquote authority for that keyword. Okay. Why am I doing this? Because I want to become an authority for this keyword, legit ways to make money online. Okay. So what am I doing here is you'll notice, okay, every video, almost every video, I say that keyword, legit ways to make money online. And then I get into the video. Legit ways to make money online. Okay. There's one. And then here's another one. Legit ways to make money online. Here's another one. $900 every 3 hours. Legit ways to make money online. Why am I doing that? Because I want to become the authority in that search term. Okay. Now on YouTube, I've been able to do a good job of doing it with a lot of keywords. Okay. So for example, if we go to incognito, right? If we go to incognito, we go to YouTube. I want to show you how this is so powerful, right? So System.io tutorial, high search term, one of the authorities, right? Number 2 for that one, right? System.io affiliate marketing, number 1, number 4, number 5, number 6, right? And this is incognito. The reason why is because I'm making a ton of videos, not just one. Okay. So when you're trying to do this, you can't just make one video. I almost do it like a spiderweb method. Okay. This is the secret stuff right here. Okay. So if you want the secret stuff, I want you to say hashtag secret stuff down below. I'm about to show you what I do. Okay. I start out with the main video. Right? So let's just say I want to rank for $100 million leads. Let's see if I'm ranking. Let's go back to incognito, go to YouTube, put $100 million leads bonus. I should rank number 1. Yes, sir. Okay. But there's a reason why. Okay. I'm ranking number 3 as well. And number 4. Okay. Why am I ranking? Let's break it down. I do something called the spiderweb method. What I do is the first video that we'll call this like the web, right? We'll call this like the center of the video. All the other videos are going to get people to that video. So for example, I'll spiderweb into this video. So this video talks about how I became the affiliate, but then I'd say, hey, go see this video to see more. I'm doing a live video right now. Okay. Let's just say this is the live video I'm doing right now. This video is telling you to go see this video about $100 million leads. Okay. Now you're going to go watch that video. And then I did a short about that. Okay. What am I going to do next? On my spreadsheet here, I'm going to be doing a video called How I Make High Ticket Commissions by Promoting $100 Million Leads. Okay. So what am I doing? I'm going to make this video. And then what I'm going to do is once that video comes out, I'm going to talk about this video, right? And that's how I push the video. This is how I'm able to rank all these videos. I did the same thing with Traffic Secrets in 2020. I did the same thing with System.io. ClickFunnels 2.0, right? Like, again, let's go to incognito. Let's see, ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial. Number 1, that's incognito. You can see it's incognito on the top right. So that's it, guys. Okay. That's the game changer. We get people and we spiderweb them. Now I'm going to show you another example here. Okay. This was my main video that I wanted to rank for, System.io tutorial. Now, how did I do the spiderweb method with this? So you'll notice here, this is the main video, but then still my legendary marketer funnel. Boom. That's the first spiderweb. Next spiderweb, your first 10,000 with System.io. Boom. Next one, your first 1,000 with System.io. These are all spiderwebbing back to the original video. Does that make sense? I'm doing multiple things at once now, but start with one. right? For example, Freedom Accelerator Review. If you wanted to do that, you can obviously create the video and then create other videos that bring people back to it. Okay. John Wilson, which is one of my top affiliates at the moment, he's doing a really, really good job. Okay. This guy is just low key getting sale after sale after sale every single day. But why is he doing it? Right? He's using the spiderweb method, right? Is Freedom Accelerator legit? Freedom Accelerator bonus. I believe he did it over here. Freedom Accelerator review. As you can see, it's working. He's the authority. He's one of the main authorities for that word, that keyword. Okay. And that's the secret sauce. That's how you can literally piggyback off keywords, events, trends. You got to be active. Like you got to understand what's hot right now. If I wanted to start a new trend, right, I would just say, look, I'll start with Chat GPT. What's that looking like? Okay. It's dying a little bit, but it's still hot. You can see this one right here, Chat GPT to make money. That's going up. Maybe that's a good one I can start doing, right? Artificial intelligence, that 1 million searches per month. Imagine if you're able to get that. So many eyeballs, right? That's the goal, guys, is to do that. Okay. Let's do some Q&A. Any questions so far, guys? What do we expect? Honestly, I don't know, man. I'm excited. Like Alex Hormozi's done over $100 million with his lead generation tactics. So I'm going to learn a lot myself. I literally took off the whole day to learn myself. Jason, are there any other ways to find trends? I mean, that's a good question. For me, I just pay attention, man. Like I see the ads. I'm a student of the game, right? So I click on all the ads. I create a brand new Gmail so I can opt into all the marketers, right? I see what's going on. So what I would do, Jason, is go opt into like all the gurus email lists, see what's going on. What is everybody promoting, right? Okay, here we go. I know where you can go. Go to Montoya.com. Yeah, this is where you can go. And for example, you can see these big launches coming out. So right here, Dan Meador's The Wholesale something, right? So the wholesale formula, boom, there we go. This is huge right here. So you can go to YouTube, type in the wholesale formula review, and you can start doing it that way. So yeah, people are starting to do some videos about it. But yeah, that's one way you can do it. I didn't realize keywords were a thing on TikTok. Yeah, absolutely, man. Gen Z's looking up more keywords on TikTok than Google right now. So that's a good stat to understand. What were you promoting when you only had 1,000 followers? So I was promoting Legendary Marketer, Easy One Up. I think just those two. Legendary Marketer was kind of the main one I was promoting. And you could go back to my old YouTube videos and you can see exactly kind of what I was doing there. Can you still use the spiderweb method for older books like Russell Brunson? Yes, you can. But see what I like trends that have lots of keywords. So like if I go to expert secrets, there's still a lot of keyword searches. So yeah, I mean, for sure, it'd be easier. It's going down, but there's still a lot of keywords or a lot of searches. So yeah, man, for sure. What can we do to always be on top of the trend? Yeah, like I said, create a new Gmail and like opt into all these people's email accounts. That's like really important. What would you recommend for someone who gets lots of leads but not a lot of conversions? So typically that's going to be your copy, and you got to look at the whole funnel as a whole, right? So like if you're getting opt-ins, you're getting the leads, it could be your bridge page, it could be the copy on your bridge page, it could be the copy on email follow-ups. There's just so many things, but typically it's going to be the copy in one of those things, the copywriting, like the messaging that you have. Okay. So good news is you're getting leads. One, I don't know what product you're promoting and how you're promoting it. So that can be an issue as well, like if you're not promoting the right product. Okay. Any advice for those who work a 9 to 5 and have young families and being able to maintain balance, but still crush it online? Dude, that was me. It was rough. I'm not going to lie, dude. It was the hardest thing to be able to quit my job because you have the little ones, you have the family, you have other obligations. For me, dude, it was waking up super early and I probably lost so much sleep. But I did what I had to do for those 9 months when I was trying to quit my job. I woke up at 3:30 every single morning. My why was so strong. I hated my job so much. I think you just got to have a very, very strong why. You got to be obsessed with this thing, right? Like I was buying course after course after course. I would buy a course, I would go through it, and I wouldn't get it still, but I was listening to podcasts and books while I was driving. Instead of watching TV at home, I was engaged. I was seeing what other people were doing. I was obsessed because I wanted it so bad. And I can't give that to anybody. That's the thing, right? So you got to be obsessed with this thing, right? With whatever you're trying to do. How do you get trending data to show on YouTube SEO bar? Oh yeah, good question. You need it's called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Google extension. Let me show you real quick. So this is you can see at the top there, Keywords Everywhere. That's the extension that I use. Okay. Aha. How do you transition from promoting one offer to another? That's a good question. I think one of the hardest parts with building an affiliate business is building out the entire ecosystem as I teach it, right? So for example, like you see here, this is how I've built my entire business, right? So what I've been working on, and you can see it on the screen here, is essentially taking this entire ecosystem and giving it to you in one click. And not just like a funnel. Like I'm talking about like 100 emails with your own struggle story, your own relatable story, YouTube videos that come with it. Basically, you could have this entire system with texting basically in one click. That's kind of all I can say. Is your YouTube training for $100 million leads the same one for MWA? No, it's a little bit different. This is more of a like a coaching training. Okay, do you consider placing different links in Linktree? Beacon would work like Legendary. No, I don't like that. I'm sorry. And I know a lot of affiliates do that. It's not necessarily wrong, but that's not what I would do, right? What you want to do is this. This is your main core offer. This is the offer you 100% believe in. That's the offer that you think can help get your audience the result. Okay. Whatever that program you think is going to help them get that main result, that's the program you need to put as your main offer. Okay. You build your opt-in page around that, your lead magnet, your bridge page. Now where the affiliate stacking ecosystem comes into place, right? You have supporting offer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's where the emails start promoting these offers. Now the program, the secret project I'm working on is going to do this for you. It's going to have the emails, you're going to have the inputs, and it's going to do this for you. But for now, you need to do this manually, right? You need to go find the affiliate links. You need to go write the emails. You need to go put the emails in your autoresponder. You need to go create the YouTube videos to get people to the email. But yeah, so to answer your question, I would not use a Linktree or Beacon. That's what amateur affiliates do. Yes, they may be making 6 figures. Still amateurs, because you got to build that list. That's the main thing you need to do with one product. And then you can promote all the products you want. Okay. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll talk soon.